तो आज अपन चल रहे हैं सॉलिट्यूड फार्म ऑरोविल पौंडीचेरी में। बहुत ही नेचुरल सा एनवायरनमेंट है। चारों तरफ जो रास्ता है वो देखिए इस तरीके का, पूरी तरफ एक सुनसान जंगल शांति से चले जा रहे हैं। हालांकि गर्मी बहुत है, लेकिन मैं आपको वहाँ चल के दिखाती हूँ। सॉलिट्यूड फार्म इसलिए जा रही हूँ क्योंकि पर्माकल्चर फार्मिंग पे बेस्ड है और पढ़ा सुना बहुत है, लेकिन रूबरू देखने का मौका पहली बार मिल रहा है। तो चलिए आपको भी दिखाती हूँ।
So the first thing is returning organic matter back to the soil. Once that soil is healthy, you get this food forest. So the food forest, if you go in the jungle, any jungle, you'll see there are layers of plants according to their physiological difference.
Okay.
And their time duration.
Yeah.
So some very tall plants, here you have ramphal, and then there's chiku behind us, and sita, and tamarind, and mango, and soursop. It's a whole diversity of fruit trees there. Look, haldi, pineapple, is a ground layer, and they also do well in the shade.
Yeah.
Then will come lady's finger in here.
Yeah.
And then will come jungli bangan. Then will come the papaya, banana, fruit trees, and then creepers.
Yeah.
This is nice example of food forest because you have lemons, ramphal, you have tamarind, behind you have chiku. There's the chiku.
Yeah, there's the chiku.
And then you have the next layer, which is the bananas. You have papayas over here, look. Papayas. And you have lemon.
Yeah.
And don't forget the palm fruit, the palm tree.
Fruit? Yeah, that at the top.
So those are all creating shade.
Yeah.
You also have drumstick as well here and there.
Yeah.
Then under that you have a ground layer. A next level of crops is some types of chilies that manage with the semi-shade.
Yeah.
This type of chili that we harvested already, and they go orange. And then you have turmeric.
Yeah.
And you have pineapples.
These are pineapples.
Yeah, and in the full shade behind you here you have the pipili.
Yeah, this is.
So you have stacks of crop.
Yeah.
According to physiology.
Yeah.
Time duration and their needs and their light needs.
This is the flower coming off from pulp. See, look at it. There is a flower.
Where's that?
Here. This,
Yeah. This is the ramphal flower. So beautiful.
This
no?
is the flower.
Yeah, they're very lovely. Yeah. This is for the juice, the soursop leaves, the anti-cancer. These are those wild guavas just grown on their own. This is the lady's finger. This is the tendril of the pumpkin that's very crunchy and tasty. This is the Mayan tree spinach. Okay. And this is a drumstick spinach.
So these we are using for salad?
In the salad. Everything will go in the salad except for the stuff for juice and the stuff we have to cook.
Okay.
Then this is the rosella. This is the palm fruit. This is the tamarind leaf, the guava leaf, the tipili or the pipili. And then we have the bale fruit leaves, and we have the Brazilian joy Brazilian purple joy weed, Brazilian spinach, cluster bean seeds, chicken spinach, this chili, the tipili leaves, the radish leaves, banana.
These are.
This is the sundakai, jungli bangan, turkey berry in English. Okay. Turkey berry, you can read about it. These are the sangapu, the aparajita seeds, papaya, banana, mango, pineapple, all from the farm, tulsi, hibiscus flowers, and the aparajita flower. So this is like a small example of the secrets of our salad. Yeah. And now we're going to make the Buddha ball with you.
Okay, great. तो ये सब चीज़ें मैंने इस्तेमाल कर ली और मैंने बना लिया ये हिबिस्कस टी विथ लेमन एंड बुधा सैलेड। So वो रहा सॉलिट्यूड का किचन और ये मेरा खुद बनाया हुआ खाना, पूरे इस फार्म का प्रोड्यूस 100% ऑर्गेनिक।